Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're continuing to build on our burnt RV. We're gonna get some upholstery work done. We're gonna work at that bunk bed. We're gonna knock it out. A lot of work. Let's get straight to it. So progress, 3 hours later, I got these two things done. Yeah, upholstery work takes time. I think these are definitely the hardest pieces I've done so far, with the radius going down, the curve going up and around and sideways and stuff, but I think it turned out pretty nice. Whew, happy with the results. Not bad. All right, so it's about 7:30 p.m. right now, but you know, we gotta keep going, not a problem, that's part of life. Sometimes you gotta hustle, keep doing it. It's not gonna build itself. I have so much of those upper bunker bed parts that I need to reupholster. It's tedious, it takes time, but you know, it's gonna be worth it at the end. So we're gonna be chilling soon, but right now we gotta hustle, gotta keep working, it's part of life. So all those guys out there that are still going after hours, overtime, not alone. We're working too. Let's keep going, get all these things together. Well, knocked out a couple pieces. It's about 11 o'clock, getting closer to midnight. I'm gonna call it a night. Gonna wake up early tomorrow, but I'll knock those out in the morning. Feeling better. You know, it's taking time, but piece by piece. All right, it's the next day. Gonna go back at it. I like these nice, long, straight pieces. No problem. Look at it before and after. Man, this is no good right here, but not a big deal. We'll get it taken care of, we'll get it done. Not even sure where this piece goes yet, but we'll cross that bridge later. Let's just go ahead and get it wrapped, get it nice and pretty, ready to go, and then we'll figure out where it goes. Let's keep going. All right, so I'm going at it, but I need to go back to the fabric store. I'm running out. But I'm thinking about getting a different color as well to do a little two-tone. I'm thinking of that black, maybe even a suede black. We'll see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go get some more supplies and keep on going. All right, it's time for that big piece back there. I think that's the main bunk bed platform. So let's go ahead and get that out, take care of it. Out with the old and in with the new. Let's go ahead and go to the store and buy me a new board. Oh yeah, here we go. By the way, truck's for sale. Let me know if you're interested. There it is. Beautiful. Let's get that installed. All right. So I came back from the upholstery place. Also got my board. And what I was noticing is the old ones had these buttons, which was pretty cool. So you just screw it in like that, whatever. And then this cap would go over that and hide it. It was pretty nice. I was like, man, that's fancy. So I went to the upholstery place asking about it, and I guess it's a little more complicated than I thought, because then I needed a 3-piece. So this is like your little cap. This is where you put your screw in, but this has to be pressed onto this with this tool. I guess it's one way to do it. But I got some screws, got some caps. I'll figure it out, it's not a big deal. And we'll get nice, clean buttons. Okay, and then I also got some nice cross-stitched suede material, so that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna put that on top, so then it won't be so, I guess, reflecting or too bright with the dash and everything. So I think it's gonna look good. I get that black and white accent with a little bit of gray in there. It's gonna be nice. But let's go ahead and get this board cut, mounted, and then material on there, and finish up all our pieces for the bunk bed. All right, so there we go. So this is gonna be the bottom of the bunk. I know it's hard to tell right now, but I hope I'm doing it right, but yeah, so this is the bottom. This is the side you're gonna see. Nice cross stitching. I think it looks great, and that's where the light's gonna be right there, so I got my hole in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my little screws to hold it down. Oh yeah, that looks great. Let's go ahead and try to figure out those screws so I could add some buttons to it. That'll look good. Or I could do that later, honestly. Once I have it more together, I could see what's going on, make it more symmetrical, and measure it out before I add buttons, and then I don't need them there. So I'm gonna let this dry and do all the trim pieces. So basically all those other pieces, I'm gonna do gray. I think it's gonna look nice. Why not? Custom, unique, you can do your own way. All right, getting it done. Man, it's turning out nice. All these weird corners, radiuses, and it folds over there, and getting it. Thanks for all the advice, guys. I use the heat gun, even though you said use a hair blow dryer, not a heat gun, but that works, you know, automotive shop. You use what you have, but it's looking good. Got some pieces done over there. Got stuff done over there. Still have more over here, but I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah, it's getting kind of late. Not a problem, get back at it in the morning. Woo-wee, wow, dang. That's definitely a lot of pieces. My fingers are kind of numb, cut up a little bit. Probably should have got scissors instead of razor blade. Definitely would have been easier, save me some cuts, I guess, but hey, started the project, we're gonna finish it. Got most of the pieces done. Now basically I would have to take apart the old one, see how it goes together. I don't really remember how it goes already, it's been a little bit, but good thing we have two parts that I have the smashed one on the front I could look at, for example. I also have the burnt one I could take apart and see how it goes together. So I'll get that going, but that's all the time I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for staying tuned, following the build. We'll see you until next time.